What if I told you that surgeries might never need stitches again? No staple, no sutures, no trauma. MIT scientists just made it real. And the FDA also approved it. Welcome to the era of suture-free healing. This is the future of surgery. For centuries, surgeons have relied on sutures, staples, and glues to patch up the human body. But here's the harsh truth. These methods can cause pain, trauma, misalignment, and sometimes even lead to surgical failure. When it comes to delicate tissue like nerves, one bad stitch can mean permanent loss of sensation or movement. Tissium, an MIT spin-out company with a mind-blowing solution, a flexible biocompatible polymer that conforms to wet tissue, then seals with a flash of blue light. No needles, no threads, just healing. And in June 2025, this futuristic tech got FDA approval for its first medical application, repairing damaged peripheral nerves without sutures. Patients in the trial regained full movement and felt zero pain, even 12 months later. This polymer is not just any gel, it's hydrophobic, meaning it can stick to wet tissue like magic. It is not just smart, it's programmable. It can be modeled into custom shapes using 3D printing. Tissium's team believes this is just the beginning. They already have 6 products in development, including for cardiovascular repair, hernia surgery, and abdominal wall reconstruction. They have proven this platform works for nerves, and now they are aiming to revolutionize tissue fixation across medicine. A surgeon's toolkit might soon include not just scalpels and sutures, but programmable polymers and blue light. Tissium suture-free biopolymer is not just a medical breakthrough. It's the beginning of trauma-free surgery, and maybe one day your next surgery won't leave a scar.